These days, one of the surest ways to lose customers is to backorder items. Customer loyalty goes just so far, and if you don't have an item in stock, even your best customers will go to your competitor for their purchase. On the other hand, you want to keep your cash working hard for you. To maximize your financial resources, you can't afford to keep extra inventory on hand beyond normal demand. When it comes to the inventory question, Mom helps you find the perfect balance between too much and not enough. From tracking different prices and different suppliers for the same product, to forecasting future requirements based on previous sales, Mom's purchasing system gives you the tools you need to keep your inventory at the most efficient levels possible. The purchasing power of Mom starts with the information you keep on your suppliers. From general information for contact essentials to special accounting terms, you can even include the rules to determine landed cost calculations for freight, adjustments, and tax. There's also a place to create your own custom fields for additional supplier information.
With supplier and product information set up in advance, Mom makes purchasing easy. From just a single screen, you can quickly list all of the products that have reached their predefined low levels. You can sort items by stock code or last supplier at your preference. Mom reminds you of your current low-level threshold number and advises you of the quantity required to bring you back above that low level. Of course, you can change these amounts if you want. From a list of preset buying levels based on previously used suppliers, Mom highlights and makes recommendations based on the last purchasing level you used, or you can edit an existing level, or create an entirely new one. For items ordered in bulk or case quantities, Mom automatically configures the number of equivalent units for your inventory. And Mom can pre-assign the warehouse and bin for receiving. You can even assign expected delivery dates when purchasing to inform your customer service reps. And nothing gives a customer more confidence than a customer service rep who can say exactly when a back-ordered item is due in.
Of course, if you're planning a special promotion or need to order items for other reasons not associated with low levels, Mom lets you order a single product at any time. You can also create your own custom conditions for purchasing. Using the Special Criteria Purchasing screen, you can purchase items by supplier, purchase items belonging to a supplier discount group, or purchase items at a certain percentage of your low level, as if you were temporarily changing your inventory purchase levels.
Sometimes purchasing needs to be done as an ongoing activity over several hours or perhaps even several days. Take a break and come back. As you use the purchasing functions, Mom automatically builds and saves a pending purchase list, so you can make changes and additions before you actually create the PO. When you're ready, you can gather up all the pending purchases and quickly create purchase orders for each supplier. And before you print the PO, you can still make last-minute changes. In fact, at every stage, you can make changes and adjustments as you're going along, including special instructions for the supplier, preferred shipping methods, or expected delivery dates. You can even add additional items to the purchase order, or edit the specific purchasing information for an item already on the PO. When everything is finalized, you can send the PO as a hard copy, fax, or email message directly to your supplier. And when the product arrives from your supplier, Mom's receiving process works hand in hand with all the purchasing features you're already familiar with.
You can receive all items as ordered, or you can record partial receipt of a PO and Mom automatically tracks the outstanding items remaining on the original purchase order. You can also handle changes in order quantity to a particular item, or even add an additional item to a purchase order that was added to the delivery at the last minute. At your option, you can also scan and receive items even if you don't know on which PO they were originally ordered. Mom prompts your warehouse staff with a list of possible POs for their selection. Mom then records all changes and adjustments, completes deliveries, and updates inventory quantities with just one action. Mom also enables you to run receipt reports, print barcoded labels for new items added to inventory, and if you need to make inventory adjustments after delivery, one single screen handles everything. You can change inventory quantity. unit costs by lot, and inventory location including bin and warehouse. Throughout the entire process, M.O.M tracks all changes item by item. In fact, whenever you need, you can run an inventory transaction report, giving you a snapshot of the entire history of the transactions on each item. And, as with all the reports in M.O.M, you can easily send the report to your favorite spreadsheet of graphing software for a customized view of the information. With M.O.M, from the moment a product is ordered from your supplier through the time it's sold and shipped to your customer, you always have a complete trace of your inventory.